Hi guys, and welcome back. And till now we had a great journey, and we have been half through the course or something like that. Definitely, I think you have been gaining value and you have been implementing the same on your profiles as well. So in this lesson, we are just going to mainly focus on the rest of the stuff, filling this stuff. And before that, you can also fill. After filling that, you have to get on this recommendations and endorsements. But uh, I'm going to just speak it out over here, just giving you an idea. So after completing your profile and getting a all-star profile, you can just get on these two things. And I'm just going to explain what these are and how to get them on a practical basis, showing you directly how to request recommendation and all those. So what you have seen over here is that uh, to just filter out and just go over there, it is over here. So these are skills and endorsements. Basically, skills are something like you say that ha bhai, I know this all stuff. I know business development, I know C++, Java, Python, React, or some kind of a skills. I know UI, UX, I know designing, I know Photoshop, or something like that. You can just add a skill over here, click add a skill, and you will get this. And you can add something like business, yeah, business analysis or something like that, and you can say add. So this gets add to your skills, and you can view all of your skills over here, right? So what this really does is, like, when you apply or see for opportunities on LinkedIn using this job stuff, this pretty much helps you to find the right match based on your skills and say how much suitable you are to this. And also putting on skills like this would help people understand what you are expertised in, and help them to know more about you. And you will have to put this stuff over here by adding this stuff like this I shown. And you can also have pick three top skills to show up to everyone so that people can endorse you. So you can have a maximum of three. If I click over here, it says only three are available, and you can just drop this stuff. And you can just, I don't know where I missed it, because that's what I like to put it on the top. That's leadership. Just click on this, and this just goes over here, right? So, and you can also move this over up and down. You can also delete this stuff. So what this is just to represent how comfortable you are in a skill and what skill do you have. This is just putting it on for showing it to others. So, and then you can also take some quiz on these topics which LinkedIn generally provides, and it shows that assessment is passed. So if you see my web development, CSS, HTML stuff, I have passed the assessment over there, C++, and all those computer science stuff. But recently I got just turned into this stuff, and I just got interested in this leadership, public speaking stuff. And one of that initiative based on that is only this course that I'm helping you people build a good business strategy, build a good profile, bring in opportunities for yourself. So this is all for this. And what happens is that when I go to others profile, right, if I say someone like, whom do I search? I will search my friend, right? Priyansh Stogi, and you can just see him over here, I guess. Yes. Let's just go over there. Oh my god. So let me go. And you can see he is one of my colleague at entrepreneurship cell. So let me just go over there, and it's a great picture. Like I told you, the contrast is pretty much good, and the photo is standing out. It's great. And you can just go over here. What exactly endorsements are, how you endorse others, how others endorse you, that's what I'm going to show you. And if you see, he has put some skills and endorsement. He has put C++, and algorithms. Let's just endorse for this. And LinkedIn asks you how good is he at algorithms. Good, very good, highly skilled, or something like that. Let's put highly skilled. And he also, LinkedIn also asks how is the relation with this person, right? So when have you met, and how, based on the what workspace or what working experience with him are you giving or endorsing him. So I would say that work together, no indirectly, directly work together directly on the same project, because we hosted the e-talks, which is the first event of entrepreneurship so this year. So just submit it and just boom, you have endorsed. And Priyan should get a message saying that Balaji Rao has endorsed you for so and so skill. That's what endorsements are. It's just like, you know, a person expertised in one thing, and you are just saying in public, you are committing in public, saying that this person is good in this stuff, this person knows this. You are just saying it in public that a person is skilled, and you can just give a recommendation to people. And I've received a recommendation from Javed Qureshi, and he's one of my mentor, and he speaks well. He's also in his fourth year of engineering, and I've given three for three people. I've just given my recommendations, and you can just ask for a recommendation if you are having a all-star profile and you have some of them in your network who really knows you, and you have had conversations with them, worked with them, or you have met them and had conversations. You can just ask them a recommendation. You can click this stuff, right? You can let me show you again. Ask for recommendation, you can click it, and you can search for people. If I see, like, if I had to get anyone's, like, I don't know, but I can just search for a person. Relationship is like reported, or mentored you, your students together, worked with you in different groups, you worked, reported directly, managed by you, something. Let me write mentored by you. 9. That's fine, and just put it, just give it, boom. So could you write me a recommendation? You can tell that we had great conversations on phone, would you mind giving me a recommendation? Just give it in a personalized message. As I know, Satish, on call we had a lot of discussions with him, and we know each other a bit familiar from past 10 to 15 days. So I'm just writing a small message, and I do recommend you to send the recommendation request to only those people who you know personally, because people wouldn't give recommendation to you, and the algorithm would just, I don't know what happens, but just give recommendation to those people who really you think would give back the recommendation to you. And you can just message them as well, I want your recommendation, would you mind giving it? And then you can send them a request for recommendation. The same way, if they ask you, you can write them a recommendation. It is what happens, you are recommending each other. That means if there is a person, if you're recommending him, it means that you believe in his skills, or you write some recommendation saying that he's good at so and so, so that people, when they view his profile, right, they would be understanding, so this person is recommending this person. So there is a kind of a trust factor over there, and it's like, you know each other, and you know that that person is so and so, as based on the recommendation that you have given. So that's all for recommendations and skills and endorsements, which are very important for your establishment of professional brand, because these are what the key things that you will have to take care about while building a solid profile. Also, let's see a lot of stuff, remaining stuff in upcoming lessons, and how to get engagements and a lot of stuff. So let's see how it goes, and hope you had a great learning, and bye.